Part B then of question 10, part 1. Find the range of values of m for which the quadratic equation, this thing here, 3x squared minus 6x plus m equals 0, has no real roots. That's part 1. And part 2, the curve C has this equation, y equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. L has equation y equals 2x plus k, where k is a constant. These two things don't intersect, the line and the curve don't intersect. Find the range of possible values of k. So I've abbreviated the questions here. So let's have a go at the first one then. So here, this equals 0 has no real roots. Well, for that to be the case, b squared must be less than 4ac, mustn't it, for no real roots. So that's what we've got then. B squared is minus 6, so it's minus 6 squared is less than 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is m. So that tells us then, and I'm going to read it from right to left, that 12m, which is what we've got here, is greater than, reading from right to left, minus 6 squared is 36. So m will be greater than, move the 12 from times to divide, or divide by 12 both sides. 36 over 12 is 3. M is greater than 3 is the first one then. Part 2. Let's have a look at the next one. These two lines do not intersect. Well, they intersect if we can find an x value such that y values are the same. So they intersect if 3x squared minus 4x plus 7 equals to 2x plus k. And there's a solution to this equation, an x value where those values are the same. So for this then, for this to have a value, let's just move things around first before we say any more. Move that 2x to be minus 2x with the minus 4 to make minus 6x, plus 7 minus k. Now if that doesn't have a solution, so there's our constant value, there's our number of x's, and there's our x squareds. So here, for there to be no solution, b squared must be less than 4ac. Agreed? For no solution. So what have we got then? B squared is minus 6 squared is less than 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 7 minus k. So we've got 12 of 7 minus k, and that's greater than minus 6 squared is 36, isn't it? So we can move the 12 underneath. Yeah, the 36, so 36 over 12 then is less than 7 minus k. And then we can move things around here. So move the k through the inequality, so flip it through there, flips a sign, is less than 7. And this is 3, isn't it? 36 over 12 is 3. And move that across and change its sign to 3. So k will be less than 4. If k is less than 4, then again we have no line of intersection, no solutions for that quadratic, and so there's no values where the y values are the same, x values where the y values are the same. Okay then, just a quick double check, that 2x went over to make minus 6x, and the 7, the minus k went over, that was fine. And this quadratic doesn't have a solution if b squared is less than 4ac, so that's good. Okay then, that's part 2 done. Great.